morning, and welcome to another short video highlighting some of the projects we've been working on here at Contour Tool. Today I want to talk about something a little different that doesn't necessarily get a lot of focus, but it is a very important piece in the manufacturing component parts, and that is the ability to design and manufacture our own fixtures. And we do that in-house. Now, some of you say, well, every shop does that. Not necessarily true. With the decline of skilled craftsmen or tool makers, we saw this happening a long time ago, and we put in place a lot of the tools and training in order for us to design and manufacture our own fixtures right on our CNC machines. Today I'm going to show you out on the shop floor a fixture we just recently completed. We're currently in setup to manufacture the parts for our customers, and we'd like to take a look at it and show you what we've done and give it some thought for your next parts. Let's face it, not all parts are round or square. It takes a special fixture in order to hold them. So if you join us out on the shop floor, we'll show you what we got going on. Okay, we're standing in front of one of our DMG Morisiki NHX 4000 horizontal machining centers. The fixture that we're talking about is just one, actually. This fixture was designed by our engineering department. Mike did a great job on this. But we also machined the fixtures right on our CNC machine. This does several things for us and helps our customers. One, it shows and repeatability of the fixture from one to the other. It also shortens up the lead time. Once we got all the raw material in, all the socketed cap screws and everything else, we had maybe 35 hours or less to machine all four fixtures. On this particular setup, we have pallet 1, which we have duplicate fixturing on both sides. And then inside the machine, we have operation 2, and it's the same thing. We have a front and a back. The part we're going to be machining, actually, is odd shaped. So it takes a special fixture. So if you have parts that require special work holding, give Contour Tool a try. You'd be surprised, and also I think you would be amazed on what we can do here for you. I'd like to thank you for joining me, and everyone have a great and productive day. Thank you.